Hi there, my name is Sydney and I'm a fourth year computer science major and animal science minor at Davis. So I'm super interested in the many applications of programming within the fields of biology and medicine. So for the past year, I've been doing computational biology research for the Chien Lab, which is part of the School of Medicine and studies ovarian cancer. So right now I'm actually working on a thesis which involves the development of an open source bioinformatic tool, which you can see right here. It's basically just something that allows a researcher to select a particular cohort and outputs different types of information. So it's basically intended to help facilitate research with a particular data set. So my personal journey through research has certainly been challenging. So I'm kind of here to remind my peers of a few things as you all look to enter into or progress within your personal research journeys. First off, do not be afraid to use your resources. The URC has a lot of research programs that offer support, mentorship, and even funding for students like you, regardless of your major and experience levels. Also, the URAs, that's undergraduate research ambassadors, I'm one of them. We're all here to help. We all absolutely love to guide our peers along, and we've all experienced imposter syndrome and different challenges in our own unique ways. So we understand how challenging and daunting research can be, and we're all here for you. Also, your professors and your TAs are incredible resources as well. They can help you with research-related writing, answer questions about grad school, point you in the direction of open positions, or even just answer any burning questions you have, really. They've all been in your position and they don't expect you to know anything going into research. They're there to teach you and you're here to learn. And honestly, at the end of the day, we're all here to learn, so they should understand that. So I really hope you take advantage of what's available to you and make the most of your precious time here at UC Davis.